Chengdu, I wanna see Chengdu. I really wanna see Chengdu, Chengdu. Oh yeah, move to it.
Okay, so earlier I filmed a what I thought was a bar street on the river, and here's another different bar street on the river. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna walk down there and just kind of catch what we can catch and try to film this one accordingly as well. So we'll see, and I think I'm gonna try to go down as much as I can, and then we're gonna probably go back the other way and just try to get a good feel of it. So stay tuned. Chengdu, China. This is actually 7 of 14. If you look down below, you'll see lots of links to other Chengdu videos. This particular one is a nighttime one, and in this video I'm trying to find these famous bar streets. I know that they're around and I think I see it, so I'm going to be kind of going down what I think might be, but it turns out to not be it. But it has a lot of interesting stuff along the river anyways, and then ultimately by the end of the video I'll find the bar street. And just so you know, I'm going to be doing a couple other bar streets in future videos, so you might want to subscribe because you'll see that in video 8 and 9. This is number 7. Anyways, subscribe. Chengdu, China. Pew. Okay, so we're gonna walk on these steps over here. So we're gonna go around, and I guess this is the name of it in Chinese. There might be another name in another location. Let me just see. So I guess this is kind of where we're at. Okay, so we're gonna find out. We'll see what it's all about. So let's go down. And it's a little bit different than the other one, of course. Just in case you don't know, I've been filming Chengdu, and I'll probably have like about, I don't know, maybe a dozen videos, maybe more. And this will probably be number 6 or 7, I think. And I did another video where I walked along the river that had like a bar area, and this is a different river. Looks like it's more for kids. Knickknacks. I wasn't sure. I thought it might be a bar area. But anyways, this is on the river in Chengdu, and I'm just going to follow it all the way down, and we'll see what else is on this river. Yeah, actually there's another area that I saw that looks like a bar area. I'll film that as well. That'll probably be the next video. But this one looks more like an artisan area. Here's for ear cleaning. Okay. So we'll just go all the way down. Looks like they're starting to close up already. It's about 11 o'clock at night. Maybe a little bit later. I guess I was expecting it to be a little bit more. I don't know. We're looking for this my first Chengdu video, 1 and 2, had this one street, but I went a little bit too early, so the bars were not closed, but it had some nice Riverwalk stuff. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna end this video here. Just kind of show you that looks like we got apartments up there, nice Riverwalk. And I'm going to location plan of Dongmen Dock Station. I guess that's what this is. So we're gonna go back and go down the other way. So stay tuned. I'll label it accordingly. I'll put a map on all these videos. It's kind of cool. Okay, so I'll turn the video on when we get up on the other side and going down the other way. Same river. Okay, this is the same river the other direction. There's some nightlife area, and I think it's over there in the purple. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna walk over there and I'll leave the camera off. But basically, there's something over there. And that was the river that we were down on that side. You can see those lights that we saw. And we're just kind of in the city, as you can see. There's a beer bar over there. And I'm just gonna come around and then we're gonna turn the camera off and then come out when we get to something more interesting. So this is Lan Kwai Fong area of Chengdu. So we'll walk on in and just kind of see. So it looks quite a bit busier. I'm just gonna walk in a little bit with the camera and then I'm gonna do a separate video, but you can see there's definitely people around, there's definitely bars, and the Riverwalk is over that way. So I'm just going to a little bit dark. So yeah, definitely a bar area. VE House. So let's go down to the waterfront and you can see something called Love everywhere. Okay, so I'm gonna end this video and I'm gonna do another one that just Lai Kwai Fong. So I'm walking along the riverfront, got some bicycles, and that's an area over there that we're gonna go to. So I'm gonna include part of that in this video, and if it's interesting, I'll do a whole separate video for it. We'll just see what it's like. Pandas. So you can hear the music kind of throbbing over there, so I think that that's going to be the nightlife district over there. So we're going to walk in and I'll film a little bit and then I'll probably do a whole separate video. It looks like it's called Lan Kwai Fong. Okay. It's the same name as the nightlife area in Hong Kong. Lan Kwai Fong. So let's go over there.